Welcome to a new video from the Color Vistas brand. If you're into sublimation printing, you may have asked, do I need to mirror my sublimation designs? Today, we'll answer this question, covering why mirroring is necessary, when it isn't, and how to ensure your designs transfer perfectly. Let's dive in. So, what is mirroring in printing? To start, let's discuss what mirroring means in printing. Mirroring a design means flipping it horizontally to make a reverse image, as if looking at it in a mirror. This reversed design is what's printed onto the sublimation paper, ensuring that when transferred to your substrate, the final image appears the right way. Without mirroring, your design will print backwards on your finished item, especially noticeable with text or directional graphics. So, why do you need to mirror sublimation designs? Mirroring is crucial for sublimation because of how the process works. Here's why. Reversal during transfer. When sublimating, the design on the sublimation paper is transferred onto a substrate by applying heat. The image flips again onto the substrate, making a double reversal. By starting with a mirrored image, the final print appears correctly. Accuracy in design elements. For text, logos, and specific layout elements, mirroring is essential. Imagine sublimating a quote or brand logo without mirroring. It would appear backward, making the item look unprofessional and unusable. Maintaining design. Quality. For accurate colors and crisp details, mirroring ensures every part of your design aligns properly during the heat transfer process. Let's move on. So, when to mirror and when not to mirror. While mirroring is needed for most sublimation projects, there are situations where you may not need to, printing on transparent surfaces. If you're printing on clear substrates, like glass or acrylic, whether or not you mirror depends on the viewing side. For designs viewed from the front of a clear item, mirroring is unnecessary. If viewed from the back, mirroring becomes essential. Non-sublimation transfers. Not all heat transfer methods require mirroring. Some direct-to-film, DTF, or heat transfer vinyl, HTV applications don't require it, so always check your material guidelines. Double-sided printing. For double-sided items like some mugs, decide if mirroring suits the specific layout. Some designs may need mirroring on only one side for readability. Now, let's discuss how to mirror a design for sublimation. To mirror your design, you can use either design software or your printer settings. Using design software. Programs like Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, Canva, and even Silhouette Studio or Cricut Design Space offer mirroring options. How to mirror in software. Locate the flip or mirror tool in the editing options, usually under Edit or Transform. Select Horizontal Flip to mirror your image. Always preview it to confirm the orientation. Using printer settings. Many sublimation printers include a mirror or reverse option in the print settings. How to mirror in printer settings. In your printer dialog, look for settings under Print Properties. Select the mirroring option, usually labeled Mirror Image or Flip Horizontally. This step ensures the image mirrors automatically before printing. Third-party apps. Some design programs don't support mirroring, so you may need third-party software or an app to mirror the design before sending it to print. And now, let's talk about tips to avoid mirroring mistakes. Mirroring mistakes can be frustrating, but here's how to avoid them. Double-check before printing. Always preview your design before hitting print. This is especially important if working with text or brand logos where orientation matters. Use a checklist. If working on multiple sublimation projects, keep a checklist to remind yourself to mirror. It's easy to overlook when moving quickly between designs. Do a test print. If you're unsure, do a test print to verify the orientation. This is especially useful for complex designs or when working with mirrored text. Consider adding text markers. In your design file, you can add small markers or arrows to indicate the correct orientation. It serves as a helpful reminder before printing. Here are common mirroring errors and ways to fix them. Printing without mirroring. If you forget to mirror, the design will print backwards. This is especially noticeable in text and logos. Solution: reprint with the correct settings. Unfortunately, sublimation prints can't be reused, so it's best to double-check mirroring before each print. Over-mirroring. Sometimes you might accidentally mirror a design twice, flipping it back to its original orientation. Solution: double-check the preview to ensure the design is only mirrored once. This is particularly easy to miss if both the design software and printer settings are set to mirror by default. Forgetting to check. Printer settings. If you rely on printer settings for mirroring but forget to enable them, the design will print without any mirroring effect. Solution: get into the habit of always reviewing printer settings for each project, especially if you switch between sublimation and other types of printing. Great. Now you might ask, what happens if you don't mirror? If you don't mirror a sublimation design, the print will appear backward once transferred. Here are some issues that can result. Unreadable text. Text elements will be reversed, making quotes, names, or other text-based designs unreadable. Misaligned graphics. Graphics with directional elements or specific layouts will appear off, reducing the professional look of the final product. Potential waste of materials. Without mirroring, the finished product may not be usable, wasting materials, ink, and time. Let's look at some best practices for mirroring sublimation designs. For best results, keep these tips in mind. Set up a workflow. Establish a consistent workflow where mirroring is one of the final steps. This habit helps prevent missed mirroring. Mark files for mirroring. If you frequently use certain designs for sublimation, consider saving a mirrored version in your design files to save time. Train your eye for visual cues. Get accustomed to looking for visual cues in your designs. Once you start spotting these indicators, mirroring will become a natural part of your process. Use software with built-in mirroring. Consider investing in design software with automatic mirroring for sublimation projects. Some programs even allow you to set mirroring as a default for sublimation designs. Great. Now, let's move on to final thoughts. Mirroring is a key step in sublimation printing that ensures your designs transfer accurately and appear as intended. By mirroring correctly, you'll avoid backwards text and other alignment issues, ensuring high-quality, professional prints every time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the links in the description for recommended sublimation products where applicable, and don't forget to visit my website for more guides and resources on sublimation. See the link in the description below. Please consider liking my video and subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.